Good morning, class. It is question number 9 of exercise 3.2. We have to solve this equation using cross multiplication method. Firstly, we remove the fraction of equation 1. Means we multiply it by AB or take LCM. We have from 1 LCM is AB. AB is divided by B. We have A, multiply it by then A square X and B square Y equal A plus B, then A square X minus B square Y equal AB. Now shift this term to LHS. We have A square X minus B square Y minus AB, A plus B. We can obtain this term. We can also obtain this term by multiplying AB to equation 1. Now second equation is AX minus BY minus 2AB and equal 0. Now these two equations are in the form A1x plus B1y plus C1 equals 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals 0. Then we can apply cross multiplication on it. Then method we have x by, we hide the coefficient of x, then x by minus b square minus b and constant term C1 which is minus AB A plus B and C2 is minus 2AB minus AB A plus B and minus 2AB equal y by, hide the coefficient of y and firstly write this term, means repeat this term. Here we have minus AB A plus B minus 2AB and coefficient this term, then coefficient of x which is A square A, then 1 by, repeat, firstly write A square A and coefficient of y minus b square minus b. Now multiply this term minus b square to minus 2ab. We have minus b square into minus 2ab, put minus sign, then minus b into minus 2ab, minus b into minus ab A plus b into y by a into minus ab A plus b, put minus sign, then minus 2ab into a square. Now 1 by a square into minus b into, minus sign, a into minus b square Now x by plus 2ab cube, open the bracket, minus into minus plus and minus. Then we have, open the bracket, ab square, a plus b, y by, open the bracket, minus a square b, a plus b, minus minus plus 2a cube b, a into a square, a cube, 1 by minus a square b plus ab square. Now, x equal, x by 2ab cube minus a square b square minus ab cube, y by minus a cube b minus a square b square, x by 2ab cube minus ab cube, we have ab cube minus a square b square, y by 2a cube b minus a cube b, we have a cube b minus a square b square, and 1 by, we can take ab common, have b minus a. Now we have x by ab cube, we can take a b square common, then b minus a equal 1 by ab b minus a. Now x equal ab square b minus a by ab b minus a, cancel out, then x equal b, the value of x is b, and y by, now compare this term, y by a square b common, we have a minus b equal 1 by ab b minus a. Now y equal a square b a minus b, take minus common, minus 1 common, and a minus b, we have y equal minus b, and it is answer.